Welcome to episode 7 of the Trading Journal. I am a bit sick if you can tell by my voice. We made the standard 2 trades this week, both pretty good setups, so let's get right into the analysis. The bias for this trade was long due to this 4-hour fair value gap as well as these various 15-minute fair value gaps here and here. I then scaled down to the 5-minute time frame where these two pairs of equal lows were formed. I waited for them to be swept, then for IFVG to form. Once the IFVG was formed here, I waited for a retrace and I entered into the trade. My stop loss was 4 ticks below this sweep and my take profit was aiming for these equal highs up here. The ratio was 2 to 1. Let's see how the trade went. So we did in fact lose this trade, but it was a good setup. On to the next trade. The bias for the trade was short due to these 1-hour equal highs as well as this 1-hour fair value gap. In the 30-minute there was also more equal highs and there was some in the 15-minute as well. I scaled down to the 15-minute time frame and saw these equal highs. Once they were swept, I waited for IFVG to form. Once they formed right here, I waited for price to revisit. I did enter a bit late, but still at the price where I wanted to enter. My stop loss was 4 ticks above this sweep, and my take profit was aimed at these equal lows and also 2.33 fib extension. The ratio was 2.09 to 1. Let's see how the trade went. We did end up winning this trade. In my opinion, a better setup than the previous trade. Onto the weekly review. This week it was my 43rd and 44th trades, as you can see here. If we look at the statistics for the week, clearly I made 2 trades, 1 win, 1 losing, a total profit of $10.50. Since the channel started, I have a 50% win-loss ratio. I'm currently up $12.95 and I've made 12 trades in total. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and do all that. See you all next week.